We divide 351 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 1 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we took here decimal, so that we place 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 351 divided by 5 is 70 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.